Alright, so hello everybody, I'm back with another video unboxing. Woo! Alright, so what I'm going to be unboxing, unpackaging is some glasses from Zenni Optical. So here's a story really quick about this before I show you my glasses. So I wear glasses, obviously. I don't have contacts. I used to wear contacts. I used to wear colored contacts. I just prefer not to because of the whole cleaning and all that responsibility nonsense. So I'm not doing that. So I have glasses. I used to buy glasses regularly with my insurance and whatever, or pay out of pocket and spend the whole boatload amount of money for no reason, a couple of $100s, anywhere from like up to $800 for a pair of glasses is ridiculous. So nowadays, like a couple of years ago, I started to go to this site called Coastal Contacts, and Coastal Contacts had glasses for like $10 and everything. So I was like, I was like, okay, let me give this a try. So I did my own. I got my prescription from the optometrist, and I added that to the site and ordered some glasses. I loved it. I had only paid anywhere from $10 to $20 per glasses with the lens and anti-reflective and all that stuff, and I loved it. I loved it, and I couldn't get enough of it. I never bought any other glasses other than the ones online. So Coastal Contacts, fast forward, they used to have this thing called first pair free. I used to get my first pair of glasses for free, and you just had to pay shipping, but that's long and gone. This is Zenni Optical though. Anyway, so I had these I got recently, like a couple of months ago, like 6 months ago, but now they're like, I don't take care of them well, so I'll just leave them here and there, and then my son will start like bending them sometimes, so it's like kind of crooked. So if you see them crooked, it's because these glasses aren't like straight. But these are one of my glasses I like. It's really light and I love it. It's, you know, it's this like kind of cat eye feeling, but it's not like super cat eye. It's like you know, just regular cat eye, and like whatever. These are the glasses I have on now. So I had got two. Comes in this package because I only got two glasses. Both of them came out to like $15 each. And if you spend over a certain amount, you get free shipping. And then obviously, like you guys know, I had to use a coupon. I think it was a 10% off coupon. If you want a 10% off coupon, I'm going to try to put that link in the description box below if you want to try Zenni Opticals. So, here we go. We're going to check out, let's open this one. Oh! Alright, so it comes in, it has its own little plastic cheap container. I don't even use these most of the time, only to put them away. Like, put them away that I'm not going to wear them for a long time and wear something else. I literally just leave my glasses out and just take them, and sometimes I lose them. So it comes wrapped up in this cloth. You get a free cloth and you get free case, and this is how it looks. It's like a yellowish greenish, like the sides are yellow, translucent yellowish green type thing, which is I don't think I remembered it. So when you're checking out, make sure these are like, you know what color these are, these things. But this is the design over here. You see it more better in the light. So I'm gonna try it on. So this is it. This is more square. I was trying to go for a more square glasses this time, which is perfect. I like it. I like the funky color. It's fine. I could have just did plain black, but I've been doing that recently, and I wanted some type of like, you know, pattern looking nice, you know. You like? What do you think? Alright, so I like it. I like it. I pretty much like it. It's a little bit more heavier than my last pair, but it's not really like that much of a difference. I can feel the difference, but it's not that much of a difference. So the next pair I'm going to be trying are these. Obviously, it comes with share your pic on social media. Thank you. All right. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. All right. So it comes in this nice bag, very secure. All right. Here we go. And these are, see now, someone suggested to me that I try smaller glasses. I used to wear tinier glasses way back in the day which made me look weird. But I was like, this is a nice cat eye. This is like, gives me like olden vibes, like 60 vibes or whatever, 50s, 50 vibes. This is like a more pronounced cat eye, but I think it's pretty cool for a tiny glasses. It's a whole different look, you know. I'm kind of feeling the other one for now for some reason, but like I would wear the other one on a daily basis. These would be just like for my like extra, like maybe my dress up pair, or I think it has to go with a specific look on you or something. But what do you think? So that's it. I ordered 2 pairs of glasses, and let me know. I think I'm gonna keep the other one on for now. Let me know which one you like. Do you like these ones, the first pair I tried on, or do you like the second pair I tried on? Which glasses look better to you on me? Which one? Or was it the first one? Because I might order that one again just to have a fresh pair, because they're so darn cheap. I could buy like a whole mess of them for the price I could get for one. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so that's it. So there we go. Let me know which one you like. Let me know. Talk to me. Be my friend. Please be my friend. Alright, so that's it. We're done with this video. Thank you for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every week and I have tons of videos to do, so stay tuned. Bye.